Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Everyday E-Learning. So in today's video of probability and statistics, we are going to practice a problem which will help us to understand the variance determination of continuous random variable in very short way. So we are continuing the problems that we used to practice the problems in our previous videos. So we will continue one of that problem in here from the variance topic. So here we are given a function, and it is a probability density function that indicates continuous random variable, and it has a range of 4 to 6, and we are asked to determine the variance of this random variable. So let's start. In number A, we are given this function. So we know that for determining variance we need one formula, which is the one that you can see now on the left side of my screen. Variance of any random variable x is equals to the expectation of the random variable x squared minus the expectation of the random variable x and the whole squared. Remember that expectation of the variable x square is never equal to expectation of x whole square. Two are totally different terms. So let's start. At first we need to determine the expectation of x. So for expectation, we did in the previous video, the formula is x dot f of x dx. So here we have range starting from 4 to 6, x, and the function is 1 by x times ln 1.5 dx. So we'll now do the integration. So if we solve the integration, we need to take 1 by ln of 1.5 outside, since this one is considered to be a constant, and then if we do the easy integration, we'll end up with the final result, which is 2 by ln of 1.5. Now let's do it for the expectation of x squared. So for this one we just need to replace x with x squared, and the remainings are the same, which is 1 by ln of 1.5 into x dx. Now if we do this integration, we consider again this part as constant and take it outside. If we cancel x squared and x, we have to integrate x, and if we do the integration, we'll end up with the value 10 by ln 1.5. So our expectation of x is this one, 2 by ln 1.5, and x squared is 10 by ln 1.5. Now according to the formula of variance of x, we have to do 10 by ln 1.5 minus 2 by ln 1.5 whole squared. Now if we do the calculation, we will end up with the result approximately about 0.33, taking up to 2 decimal places. So this is our answer for number A, where we were asked to determine the variance of this random variable. So the variance or the spreadness we got is 0.33. Now moving on to number B, we are asked to find out the standard deviation of this random variable. We don't need very big space, so we can do it here. So for number B, we know that the standard deviation is equals to square root of variance. We can also denote it like standard deviation is equals to root over sigma square. Therefore standard deviation is basically square root and the root and the square is cancelled, and we get this one, sigma. So standard deviation is denoted by sigma, and sigma square is the variance. We can write it here, variance sigma square. Alright, now if we want to determine the variance, we have to take the square root of 0.33 as the variance value is 0.33, and if we do the calculation, we'll end up with 0.57. Therefore, for number B, we have got that the standard deviation of this random variable x is 0.57.